Hello and welcome back to the Paperless movement, where we help overwhelmed managers know exactly how to leverage information to empower their task management. Today we talk about managing information and tasks from scratch. First of all, don't panic. At the Paperless movement, we know how you feel. You receive a ton of emails every day. You're bombarded by information all the time. You notice and feel you're not moving towards your goals, and at times you feel a sensation of emptiness creeping up at the end of the day. It's so much you just want to collapse. We know you are exhausted. Don't worry, we've all been there too. The question you always ask yourself is, how the hell do I solve and overcome this situation? How do I start? Well, that's our goal for today. To show you 4 easy to implement steps that will help and start to change the situation you are in. Just by following them, you'll start building a system you can trust to manage your information and tasks better. Yes, believe it, it's going to change your entire life. So let's go for it. Before we go all in though, please follow this recommendation. From now on, forget about apps. Reframe your thinking and focus on workflows. Think in processes, not apps. With this different approach, you will understand how to find your way out of your negative situation. We'd like for you to better understand what this is all about. So to make things easier for you, we've created iCore, a framework that will help you start creating a system. This system will help you manage 2 fundamental elements in your life: information and action. iCore stands for Input, Control, Output, Refine. Each of them is a stage in the process you must follow in order to create a system of your dreams. So let's check out each stage one at a time. Input. With input, the goal is quite simple. Take information from the outer world and bring it to your world. You have to define these 4 things: your sources of information, what you want or need to capture, how to capture it, the final destination of that info, what we call a single source of truth. Now that you have your information in your system, let's move to the second stage, control. Like input, the goal of control is simple. With the control stage, you decide what to do with the information you've captured. You have 2 options: act, actions you want to do to produce outcomes, or think. These are thoughts that should drive you to actions in the future. That's why you store them. After this stage, you're moving from information to action. That's essentially what iCore will do for you. And that is why we say iCore is where information meets action. iCore sits at the intersection of both worlds. Our third stage is output. This is where you get results from the information you've captured and processed in the previous 2 stages. Here you get a list of all the actions you need to achieve your goals. You'll be able to schedule them and start doing. Because it's only by doing that you can evolve and accomplish everything in life. But there's one last stage: refine. Refine is where you do 2 things: optimize and automate. This stage will speed up your productivity and life by leveraging information. It'll empower your task management so that everything runs smoothly. By refining, you reduce your anxiety, stress and feelings of frustration. You cross to the other side, where peace of mind, relaxation and focus are the ones who reign. Now you can start performing at your best. Well, there you have it. The recipe to start solving your problems. A way out from the chaos, anxiety, frustration and stress. I highly recommend though that you go a step further and improve your understanding of iCore. So therefore we created a free iCore Kickstart course for you. In just 4 days, you'll know enough about iCore to start changing your life. Your information will become action. Start your iCore journey, it's free. And as always, I'll catch you up next time.